Lumi is a penguin. She had a pair of small wings, but they couldn't lift her into the sky. Other birds sliced through the air, leaving graceful trails across the sky. But Lumi stayed grounded, like a shadow that never took off.
Why aren't you flying?
Asked the seagulls gliding over the ocean, tilting their heads. For them, soaring freely with the wind in the sky was as natural as breathing. Lumi turned to the wind and asked,
I have wings. Shouldn't I know how to fly too?
But the wind gave no reply. It simply drifted away. Lumi stood at the edge of a cliff. She flapped her wings again and again with all her strength, and then, thud, she fell straight to the ground. The sky felt impossibly far, and she was just too small, too heavy. That night, the gentle waves whispered softly,
The sky isn't the only place to fly. Your sky lies beneath your feet.
Lumi stopped looking up. She turned her gaze downward, toward the sea. She gently dipped her hand into the water. It was cold, a little frightening, but deeper than she ever imagined. In the water, she spread her wings. At first, she just splashed around aimlessly, but slowly, she began to learn how to move with the sea. She felt the texture of the water, the breath of the waves, and she remembered them. Not the rhythm of the sky, but the rhythm of the ocean. And one day, Lumi began to glide across the surface of the sea, as if she were truly flying.
Wow, Lumi, you're really flying,
cried a seagull from the sky. Lumi smiled and said,
I'm a bird that flies over the sea. With my own wings, I found a sky that's mine.
It's okay if it's not the sky. With enough heart and effort, you'll find a sky that belongs to you.
Did you have fun with Unidoni today? Your likes and subscriptions mean the world to us. See you again next time with another story. Bye-bye!